Blue Book, The Psychology of Money. Chapter 17 Summary, The Seduction of Pessimism. Author Morgan Housel. Key core idea of Chapter 17. Chapter 17 explains why people are naturally attracted to negative news about money and the economy, and why this mindset can damage long-term financial success. Pessimism sounds smart. Optimism often sounds naive, but optimism is usually more accurate in the long run. Brain, why pessimism feels convincing. Negative stories feel urgent, sound realistic, are easy to believe. Examples: the market will crash. The economy is doomed. This time is different. Bad news spreads faster because fear grabs attention. Losses hurt more than gains, loss aversion. Chart decreasing, bad news is loud, good news is quiet. Morgan Housel explains. Economic progress happens slowly. Crashes happen suddenly. So we remember. Crashes, recessions, bubbles, but we ignore. Decades of growth, innovation, rising living standards. Bar chart history favors optimism. Despite wars, pandemics, depressions, political crises, markets and economies have recovered, grown, improved over time. Progress is messy but real. Warning: the danger of too much pessimism. When people become overly pessimistic, they stop investing, hold excessive cash, miss long-term growth. Trying to avoid losses completely often creates bigger losses. Jigsaw, why optimism is not blind faith. Optimism does not mean ignoring risk, believing everything will be easy. Real optimism means trusting long-term human progress, preparing for short-term pain. Balanced thinking is the key. The best investors respect risks, expect setbacks, stay invested. They combine short-term caution, long-term optimism. Brain, media's role in pessimism. Media focuses on disasters, crashes, scandals, because fear sells, calm does. This creates a false sense that everything is getting worse. Hammer, how to apply Chapter 17 in life. 1. Zoom out. Look at decades, not days. 2. Expect bad years. Bad years are part of the journey. 3. Stay invested. Time matters more than timing. 4. Don't confuse headlines with reality. Headlines exaggerate fear. Memo, key takeaways. Pessimism feels smarter than optimism. Bad news spreads faster than good news. History rewards long-term optimism. Fear causes missed opportunities. Progress is slow but powerful. Seedling, 1 paragraph chapter summary. Chapter 17 of The Psychology of Money, titled The Seduction of Pessimism, explains why negative financial stories attract more attention than positive ones, and how this bias can harm long-term investing success. While economic downturns happen suddenly and feel dramatic, progress occurs slowly and often goes unnoticed. The chapter argues that pessimism sounds more intelligent, but optimism, grounded in historical evidence, is usually more accurate over time. Successful investors balance awareness of risk with faith in long-term growth and avoid making decisions driven by fear.